Hello students, welcome to Abhyaas Law Prep. We have a good news today. NLU Assam has released their vacancy notification and it's available on our Abhyaas Law Prep website where we regularly update all the NLUs that have released their vacancy notification forms along with the application links. Let's take a look at this form. So this is a little this process is a little complicated as you have to also register yourself and as well make a email and send it to the admissions@nluassam.ac.in regarding all your details that you're going to be filling in the registration form. First, any student willing to apply here. So this is open for everyone who has given CLAT 2025. So you can just click on this payment link and make a payment of 750 rupees, and it is the same for everyone applying under any category. You can leave this blank because it doesn't have a asterisk over here. So you have to just select your fee type. You'll select new admission fee collection and then you'll enter your 750 amount, okay, and all your details you have to enter, your CLAT rank, your phone number and your parents' phone number and the course name that you want to select, that is obviously BA LLB honors, okay, and then your email ID and your amount, mobile number and this captcha code. So after you fill in all of this and after you make the payment, there is one more process that you have to be doing, which is uploading all these documents. So have all these documents in PDF format. That's statement, grade 10 statement, that is your class 10 certificate, and your CLAT 2025 scorecard, your grade 12 statement, that is intermediate statement, and then mark statement, and then you have to have your conduct certificate, migration, category, caste certificate, and any other applicable certificates that you have. Okay, and if you want to claim for a domicile category in this university, you need to also have a permanent residence certificate. And if you are a army personnel, if you belong to the family of a defense personnel or EWS category, you have to have those respective certificates. Okay, so the deadline for filling up of this application is 12 noon. So make sure you do the same. First, you have to make the payment using this link in the notification. Okay, we have also uploaded this link in the Abhyaas Law Prep website. First, make the payment and then you have to click on this online admission portal, okay, and then you have to click on new registration. You have to register yourself using all the documents that you have in your PDF format, right? So you have to first register yourself and upload all the documents and ensure that it aligns with your CLAT application form and your payment also receipt, keep it with you. You also have to upload that on admissions portal, and as well after you do the entire registration process, the payment first, registration next, you also have to email every other detail to admissions@nluassam.ac.in. After you make the payment, you also make sure if you're not sending your every detail to NLUassam.ac.in admissions, you at least send your online payment transaction ka receipt. Make sure you at least send that to admissions@nluassam.ac.in and do it before July 6th, 12 noon. All the best. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.